Can't go wrong with pepper. Hit it with that heat. Cayenne. Oh yeah! Oh, I am hitting. The spices are hitting me. Yeah! All right. Yeah. That's some good guac. Woo! All right. That's some good guac. Woo! All right. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy it. Oh man, I'm gonna enjoy this. All right, son.
What's up?
Made the spicy guac.
Yeah, just trying to walk. Alright, let's see what's up with this guy and his guacamole style. How's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Let's see. What's going on?
I want you to get a good taste.
Oh, wow. Look at that. You put habaneros in it, huh?
Huh?
You put habanero in it?
Hell yeah, put habanero in it.
I don't like habanero, bro. That's right. Good shit.
Shit.
You put lime?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I didn't put enough though. I know I didn't put enough. I needed one of those things that you have, reducing the limes.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't have one. So I just.
I don't have it no more either. That's good.
And I went to the store to get one, and they're like $15, and I was like, I don't squeeze that many limes. So.
I mean, Goodwill. Goodwill. Pretty good. All straight is good.
Right?
Ah, damn it. Pretty good shit, man.
Thanks, man.
Good shit.
Yeah, I thought it came out pretty good.
Wow. No salt down.
No, pretty well.
A little bit.
Yeah, I probably didn't put enough.
What you got going on?
Fish in there.
Huh?
Fish.
What is this? Fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella.
For what?
Eat whenever I think it's on it. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, looks good.
That's good.
Damn sure it looks good. All right.
What do you want to do?
chicken I was gonna give you that's been in there for a week.
Oh, we should just cook this.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Yeah.
I forgot to. Yeah. That's some.
At some point.
At some point. All right. I don't know if I should turn it over.
Yeah, just turn it over just a little bit to get a little crust.
Yeah. All right.
That's just pretty big.
It is huge.
How much you got it for?
120?
No way, really?
Yeah. For sure.
Is it bigger than the one from Walmart?
I think so.
That's pretty good. Are you gonna throw this in there too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I got the thing.
Yeah.
Just so I can use the shit out of it.
You try bacon in it?
No. This is the first thing I've
Oh, it's the first batch?
Yeah. This is the
Oh
first
yeah,
thing.
it's gonna be good. Alright guys, so we got this going on. Food is gonna come out bomb. Bomb. Man, this wok is pretty good. It has some cheese on it.
There's some cheddar in there.
No, not cheddar.